Hello, Page America. I want to provide you with our response to the COVID-19 virus. During this pandemic, there is an increased sense of fear. News across the globe has been both alarming and concerning. The city and county have been diligently preparing for the possibility that the COVID-19 reaches our door. While there has not been any confirmed cases in Page, this has not stopped our elected officials and staff from preparing for emergency and taking time to be proactive. The city remains in close contact with the Coconino County health officials, which is our direct source of information and resources for our community. While there is a large amount of fear and misinformation circling within our community, the city has put together a robust resource page where you can get direct information from resources like the CDC and sign up for email updates. I want to assure you, as your mayor, your health and safety is my top priority. Earlier this week, I created the COVID-19 Response Task Force with professional members from our community, including healthcare, schools, county, businesses, and city staff. It is therefore my duty to urge calm during this time of uncertainty. To that end, I offer the following facts and information to help our residents better understand the current context of COVID-19. According to our Dr. Jason Moore, the coronaviruses are common in humans and responsible for many common colds. Although many of the viruses have a relatively benign course, at least 2 dangerous coronaviruses were responsible for the significant outbreaks in recent times: SARS 2003 and MERS in 2012, thus have the potential for significant harm to humans. Comparison to the seasonal influenza are common. Like flu, COVID-19 is very contagious, affects older folks and those with medical problems to a greater degree. We also know, thanks to China, the most common signs and symptoms are fever, dry cough, fatigue, and a productive cough. The incubation period is thought to be 5 days. Age as well as underlying medical conditions are important risk factors, and those over the age of 70 are at a greater risk. Heart disease, high blood pressure, diabetes, all increase mortality rate significantly. We also know things will get better. The following are guidelines and recommendations from the White House. If you are sick, stay home. Do not go to work and call your medical provider. If your children are sick, keep them at home. Do not send them to school and call your medical provider. If you are a senior citizen or have underlying health conditions, stay at home and away from public places. From the state of Arizona, the Arizona state has closed all schools until March 27th. At the current time, Arizona Department of Health Services considers the spread of COVID-19 virus in the state as minimal and rates the current level of community risk as low. There are currently no cases of COVID-19 in Coconino County. For up-to-date information, please go to coconino.az.gov/COVID-19. Stores remain open in Page. Some supplies such as water, cleaning supplies, and hygiene products are being purchased quickly. I urge residents to make reasonable preparations. Do not let fear govern your shopping habits. Please keep in mind while shopping, many of our residents are on a tight budget and are unable to shop in large quantities or stock up for future needs. For up-to-date information regarding the city and the COVID-19 response, please visit cityofpage.org, where you can find links to health organizations and sign up for email updates from the city. Please practice common sense when thinking about this pandemic. There has been a lot of inaccurate and panic-driven information being circulated through social media and non-trustworthy news sources, which only creates more fear and panic. Reliable sources include the cdc.gov, azdhs.gov, coconino.az.gov/COVID-19, cityofpage.org, and your healthcare provider. I strongly encourage all community members to be informed about COVID-19. Please remain calm and take a rational approach to your preparations should this affect our community. The city, county, state, and entire U.S. are working to stop the spread and keep our community members safe. Our City of Page is preparing to handle any situation. If you have any questions, please contact City Hall directly. The county has set up a COVID-19 hotline. The phone number is 928-679-7300. There's no doubt that this pandemic carries a significant emotional and economic toll, as global economies react early and dramatic, forcing economic impacts which may take time to recover. Only time will tell if these actions are appropriate. Horseshoe Bend remains open, Lake Powell boat ramps remain open, and boating booths are open. Thank you for your understanding during this time. We will get through this.